Imagine describing your design idea in plain language and instantly getting beautiful functional code that's ready to use. Well, that's possible with v0.dev, an AI-powered front-end development tool built by Vercel, which allows users to explain their desired UI in plain language or even upload design references, and functional code gets automatically generated without any hassle. It's a part of the Vercel ecosystem, because of which deployment and collaboration is much more seamless and faster. Now, let's see how v0.dev works in action. I signed up for it just a while ago, and the moment I land on the homepage, I see a prompt which clearly asks me, what can I ship? What can I help you ship? I love that prompt because it's not just what can I do for you, but it talks about shipping, which is the desired outcome for any developer. I already have a prompt on my mind, so I'm just going to paste it here. It's a detailed prompt about what my desired UI should look like. Let me go ahead and enter. So it starts with v0 is thinking, then it agrees that it'll create an experience, a UI for me. And on the right hand side, you see the app writing the code real time, and I can see the code references, all of that neatly listed down. I think it's going to take a while. So v0.dev leverages technologies such as React, Tailwind CSS, Next.js, and it's easy to deploy on the Vercel ecosystem, but you're not limited by Vercel. So you can also deploy it on AWS, GCP, or even Microsoft Azure for that matter. And I'm just going to give it a little more time so that it finishes coding, and I can also preview what it has done right here, and the preview will be enabled only after the coding is complete. As I scroll down, I can see more code being written. I can also just read through it, or I can wait until it's complete. Let's just wait for a few more seconds. It's also showing me steps that's taken, clearly telling me where it is at, so how long it's going to take for it to complete the form building process fully. By the way, form is the prompt that I've given here. So I need a beautiful looking form which has a couple of steps. Now, once the coding is complete, it automatically takes me to the preview tab. Okay, this was not expected, but it says, okay, it's trying again. I did not even hit fix with v0. Let me try. It automatically captures the error details. So let me click enter. It says v0 is thinking, and I think this is happening consistently because I tried to create a UI just a while ago, and the same thing happens. I ran into a few errors. I was not sure what happened, but then after a couple of tries, I was able to see a preview. Looks like it's fine-tuning step 2. Now it's trying to reload again. Wow, great. So I was specific about my prompts in terms of what color it should be, what sort of animation should be present, the placeholder text, all of that, and everything is taken into consideration. So all of these are required fields. So let me just enter my name, email, let's say phone number. Wow, okay. I was very specific about the kind of components that need to be used, all of that. So checkboxes, slider, all of that. Great. Lovely. So this is definitely an excellent start, especially for developers who want to prototype and quickly, build something and probably add on top of it. I'm not sure if this can be directly pushed to code, because I did check some reviews online, and some of the developers said they ran into some errors, the CSS was breaking and all of that. But this is a great way to experiment and prototype for sure. And in terms of other features, yes, you can share it publicly with a link, or you can even deploy it. As I said, deployment is much faster with the Vercel ecosystem in context, or you can also deploy it on other platforms like AWS or GCP. Additionally, you have libraries, you have projects, you can create multiple projects. All of these are pretty straightforward. There's nothing much. And so yeah, this is definitely a faster way for you to get started with front-end development, especially if you have an idea of what exactly you want and you just need a functional code to prototype and probably build on top of, then this is something you definitely have to check out. So that's it from my reviews today. If you have any questions or feedback, do drop in a comment, and I'll see you in my next reviews. Thank you.